Why choose P&M Air Conditioning and Heating? For more than 65 years, P&M Air Conditioning and Heating have been the company the Greater Houston, Texas area residents have relied upon for installing quality products and offering complete HVAC services. Our commitment to earning our customer satisfaction is unwavering and has been since 1947. At P&M, we strive to keep your air conditioning equipment performing reliably and efficiently. We understand that the commitment we make to the customer should extend well past the purchase of a new air conditioning system and must include all of the critical support services. P&M Air Conditioning and Heating provides comprehensive solutions for every air conditioning challenge. We encourage you to schedule an appointment for a free AC performance evaluation and learn about the many benefits of owning a new, efficient HVAC system. Call us to get a second opinion on major repairs suggested by another company. Estimates for new or replacement systems are free. Whether you're a residential customer or a commercial business, we offer new system design and replacement, repair, and indoor air quality needs. We offer free second opinions on repairs. Give P&M Air Conditioning and Heating a call at 713-588-6249 or visit our site, pmhvac.com, to find out how you can save and have a more comfortable home.